Everyone, myself Devansh, and you are watching Dev Tech Arena. So today we are going to create a to-do app that will save your tasks, and then you can edit them or delete them. So let's take a demo of it first. So for example, if we write um, create a to-do app and then add task, then the tasks have been added, and if you will click on this, then it is completed, and if you will again click on it, then it's incomplete. And you can edit it also. Add task, and it's edited, and you can delete this also. So we are going to create it today, and it is gonna be all with React. So I have provided source code in description, so you can check it out and you can just see it if you are having any bugs. And now let's create it from scratch. So first of all, we will open our new window of Visual Studio Code, and we will create a folder there, and then we will start it. So I am naming it as ToDo app. Select folder and select it. So now you have to create a React app in it. npx create React app, and done. And you now have to wait for some time, and it will be ready to use. So it shows okay to proceed. We will say yes, and it will create it. Oh sorry, I have did a mistake here. npx create React app, we can say ToDo app. Creating a okay, it's all okay. Now we have to wait for some time and it will be ready. I am pausing the video so that you will not have any issues. So we got happy hacking and it's done. So now we have to go here, and you can see we have got some files here. So let's first open it from the, one second, let me show you this. Now select this so that it will be good, like no much cd. So here we have to go to source, and we can first delete this logo svg because we don't need it right now. And we can also delete this setup tests. Okay, delete it. Report, this should be like this only, so don't delete it. And here index, okay, this should also be same. And index, so it says it also should be same, and you have to delete this also. And app.js, we will come to this later, and we will come to this later too. Now first create a folder named components. So it will be separation, it will be good to do separation here. And let's first see app.js, right? So here first we have to import app.css, and then we have to, one second, we will edit it only. Import ToDo wrapper from components ToDo wrapper. We will create this just right now. Just some time, give me some time. Okay, so we here have to return it with ToDo command. Okay, now done. Default app and ToDo wrapper done. This was all you have to do with app.js, and now we will come to app.css. Here you have to just do some simple stuff like just give me a second. So here I will paste an URL. The link is in description. You can just copy and paste it here, or you can just select any font that you want from Google Font API. So we have to type something more. @import URL, and then in this here done. So it's all okay. Now let's remove all this code and we will write it from scratch. First of all, style is needed, so we will do it first, so no issues at the end. So if you are using Copilot, then it will be easier for you to make styles. That's just a boring stuff to make them, so you can use Copilot in this. And box sizing should be border box, and then we should go to body right now. Here background should be like 2AF75. It will be good, right? Yeah, good. Display should be flex, right? Justify content into center, and align items in center. Okay, right? So that's all we have to do with body, I guess. Now we will come to app. Now app text align. So here center. So now we will create an h1 tag here. Oh sorry, style. We will create a style for h1 tag. So here we have to do color should be FFF, right? That should be good. Yeah, nice. And margin from bottom, we can give it 0.5 rm, and font size should be 1.75. I am only done. Right now we have to create some style for ToDo wrapper. We are gonna come to this ToDo wrapper sooner, right? It's wrong, I guess. Let's see if it suggests good. No, we don't want this, so we will make our own. Background should be I1A40, sorry 40. Yeah, good. So and margin from top should be 5 rem, and padding should be 2 rem, and border radius should be 5 pixel. Now that's all we want from ToDo wrapper to do. And ToDo form should be width of 100%. Sorry, yeah. Now we will go to ToDo input. outline none, background none, and we will add border 1 pixel solid with something like 875 and 8ff, right? No, yes, that will be good, I guess. And we will add a padding here of 0.5 rm and 1 rm from other side, and margin from bottom. So let's take top first, right? And 1 rm margin bottom, 2 rm. Now that's all. No, we have something more with this. So now we should add border radius 5 pixel, no, 50 pixel should be good, but yes. Then width should be 300 pixel, and color should be, FFF. That's the best color I have ever seen. So now something is remaining or not? Yes, remaining. We will have this. We will talk about this later on. So we should add some more F's and 4D. Yeah, that's what I wanted. And ToDo button, ToDo btn, and what we are gonna do with this is background should be hashtag 875 8ff. No, okay, that's what I wanted. Sorry, don't get confused with this. Color should be FFF, and sorry, 1 second. Now then, also we want border radius to be 50 pixel, border none, padding 0.55 rm, and cursor should be pointer. No, that's all what we wanted from this thing too. Okay, now also something is remaining or not? Yes, we have to also do for ToDo, right? ToDo display flex justify content space between, and we should align items, right? And that should be center. Okay, got it. And background should be 8ff. Yeah, that's what I wanted. And background should just like, and color should be white, so FFF. And padding should be 0.75 rem and 1 rm. So, and border radius should be 5 pixel only, not more. So here border radius should be 5 pixel and margin bottom should be 1 rem. No, okay then. And cursor should be pointer also, so that they can add it well and we should add completed, and for that color should be C5AEFF. Yeah, that's good. We will give it some plain, like purplish one. Decoration, you can do it all by yourself too if you want. So that's all we have to do with app.css. Now we are going to do components. That's the main thing of the whole project. So we have to create some files like edit ToDo for .js, and we will create a todo.js first. I forgot about that. I don't know how, but I did. So ToDo form also .js. So yeah, now ToDo form.js and ToDo wrapper.js. So all these files are okay. Now, so first of all, let's edit ToDo form.js. So this is very easy file, not like much. So let's start it from import react useState from react. Done. Now we have to export const edit ToDo form edit edit ToDo task, and here we have to add const value set value and useState task, and that's what we wanted. Yes, const handle submit is equal to e. Yes, right, you are right, bro. So e dot prevent default and yeah, and edit ToDo. Here we have to set value, and task.id is enough, and that's done. And then we have to return. So let me add a comment here so that you can understand it properly. Prevent default action, right? Yeah, and this is for I will add it here. Edit ToDo. Both are main thing of the whole project. Return form on. So let me add this one. Yeah, so now here in the form on submit, yes, we have to handle submit so that the person is submitting the project, the ToDo will come to us. So here ToDo form, and input we should add input on both side. No, like make it, yes, now good. Type test value should be value, right? And value, sorry, on change is equal to yes, we have to write a lot of here, so that the when click on click when clicking on the add task, then the whole process will proceed. So first of all E, and then set value, yes, and Copilot is not suggesting me here, I don't know why, but we have to write it all by ourselves for this. Okay, let's name a class name here. I forgot what I typed, that yeah, to-do input. Okay, to-do input, placeholder should be update task. Yeah, okay, and then we have to make a button. Okay, so here we will create a button with its partner type is equal to submit, and class name should be, I remember, to-do button, yeah, to-do btn, yes, and add task. So I hope you got this whole, so it's showing me some error, I did some mistake, yeah, so I did it here, so yeah, okay, yeah, it's okay. Now we have to move to another component that is called todo.js. So we will cut this and we will come to todo.js, and first of all we have to import React. Please import by yourself, I don't want to do it. Yes, import font awesome icon from, yeah, that's what I wanted. Import far pen to square from, can you suggest me free solid, yeah, that's what I wanted, and import far trash from this only. Now export const to do is equal to, it should be like, no, it should be task delete to do and edit to do toggle. In coding we don't prefer the uppercase letter on the starting, so we type smaller case, and then when we have to change type space, we make the letter uppercase, so it's clear to us and the computer too. Here we have to return it with and div with the class, guess what, to do. P should be like, why don't it suggesting me, don't know, let's type it, not children, okay, I forgot tilde keys, so tilde key is just below your escape key, we don't use it daily in our task, so just use it here. completed, and then completed. I think I've did a mistake here. I don't know what I did, but something is wrong here. So I have class name with an curly braces. Curly braces are very long, I don't know why, but these are unnecessary. And now we think yes. Now please say yes. Completed, and it shows me. So we will add it here, and we should make another. Now okay, yeah, sorry for the inconvenience that you faced. On click is equal to, please ignore the background noise. Yes, so on click toggle complete, so we will toggle the complete one, and then task dot id, that's enough. No, not enough. Task dot task. Okay, something I did mistake here. I did something wrong here. Yeah, I did this wrong. This is the wrong way. I didn't close it. So how it will know that we even wanted to close it? Now why are you putting me problems? I guess I have completed it here only. Yes. So now we have to create another div for let me show you why. Div, why you don't create divs by yourself? Font awesome, we will toggle font awesome here. Font awesome icon, self closing div, we have to make self closing one, and font awesome icon, and giving it some value will be great. And far pen to square, and on click is equal to this to this, edit ToDo task.id. okay, I have to add an is equal to here. Now we will toggle it one more time. Can you complete it? Yes, now good. Font icon, far trash, on click, then this, yeah, I wanted this one. So that's what all we wanted to do with ToDo app. So we will now cut the ToDo app, and we will click ToDo form here now. So first of all, let's see how it is like working, and I want to see how it's right now. So first of all, let's check our packages. Here you can see many packages are here, like many things are here. So main thing is like we haven't installed this font awesome, and we haven't installed testing. No, it's already UUID, and so let's install it. PMI, we have a UUID, and let me recall once. So yeah, npmi UUID, and let's go to Google and search font awesome. and let's see npm. I'm like, I don't remember it well, so I am checking it on their website to avoid any mistakes. Like you can see here, I am going to do a mistake here. npm saved us. So we will wait for some time for it to install, and it shows font as some and everything done, I guess. Yes. Then npm sorry, it's already done, bro. npm start, I have to sorry npm start, and it is starting the server on localhost 3000. It will start on localhost 3000, and it's browsing. Let's hope we get something. No, we didn't get, because we haven't created any components. So first of all, now to do form and to do wrapper is left, so we have to create first of all to do form. So to begin with to do form, we first have to like do very small thing. Just a second. We have to import react useState from react common key. Now let's export const to do form is equal to add to do, sorry, I forgot that, and const value set value and I will use state and const handle submit is equal to e is equal to e, and then here in this, let me add it before so that you will remember it. Get e dot prevent default add to do value sorry yeah, please bro, don't do it. Clear form after submission and set value to this, and I will create v bigger. Now done. We have to return it again, so to return it we will add a semicolon here, so no issue, persist. Now for on submit so form on submit is equal to handle submit, and class name should be to do form. Why it's showing me wrong? Oh, I have did it the wrong way. Now good. Input, please check this. If you have also did this mistake, it will do a bang after some time. So 1 second, I am checking it. the whole code once again. Yes, we are going right. Let's go, bro. It's to do form input type is equal to test value is equal to value on change I am on change, then e, we should add this e in a like now is equal to set value e dot target value. Done. We should add a class name also. Here class name should be to do input, and placeholder should be like write them here. Let's see what I wrote here. I am same. So now we forgot the button. Add button to button with its partner type submit, and class name is equal to ToDo btn, and add task. Now okay, this is what we have to do with the to-do form. I think we have did some mistake here. So to do button, to do btn, to do this, we have did a very big mistake here. That is, we haven't written it. Like a really silly mistake. Sorry. If you have did it, great job. If you haven't, then do it. Then now close this to do form too. Now to do wrapper left. So to do wrapper, so first of all import import react using useState and useState from react. This is all, and then import to do form from, by getting these form I am forgetting form, so never mind. Import to do form from to do form, yeah, smart. Import v4 as UUID v4 from UUID. Now okay, import edit to do form from edit to do form. Let's execute it here also. UUID before. Done. Now let's continue it here. Export const to do wrapper. This is the main thing of the whole project, I guess. Not guess, it is. Be careful while writing these codes. To do's, set to do's is equal to what? Do you, yeah, oh good. Const add 1 second. Wait, yeah. Const add to do is equal to do set to do's id uuid before task or to do completed false. We have to add more, but let's just take it for some seconds, not seconds. We are gonna take this is editing false. Now done. Compile with 2 errors and 1. Okay, we are already doing it. No, don't take tensions of errors here. Let's just see what is the error is. Element type is a string in build class but got undefined. You likely forgot to export your component from the file it's defined in, or you might have mixed up default and name imports. Check the render name of app. Can we do it later on? Yeah, true. So now we have to add a const with delete to do. Sorry, actually we can maintain gap here so it doesn't get messed up. Const, yeah, delete to do's. Why don't you correct? Delete to do is equal to id is equal to id set to do's so that's all with delete to do's. And now const toggle complete and then id, then this and then set to do's dot map to do to do dot id. Now good, id to do completed tab. Okay, done. Copilot really makes the whole process easier and easier, and doing it day by day. Actually what we can do is copy paste, so we can save our time and your too. Toggle complete, edit to do is equal to id and set to do's dot map to do id triple is equal to id and to do is editing. We are gonna correct it and here also. So control D and this is and this is editing. I love this duplicate lines editor feature, really helpful. And then I guess same things here, but just a little change. Let me tell you what I am talking about. Edit task and set to-dos to-do ID is equal to ID and to-do task. We are gonna add a task here also, and is at small break now. So return within div called like we have to do it like this, and then we will name it. But then class name should be to do wrapper. That's okay. Yeah. So now here we will. Why it's not doing like this? Suggest me in comments what I should do. What do you can customize accordingly. So want to do today. Yeah, that will look good. What I did here was same thing. So after it, to do form, like not like this form. Yeah, I needed like this honestly. Add to do. Add to do. I will add and let's add and comment here. Like display to do's, sorry, and like this. Good to go. To do's dot map to do index, not parenthesis, remember that. I know what I'm doing. Please here with an amazing 1 second, then you have to just put it here only, and like this. To do index to do dot is editing. We will add a question mark here, and then edit and self closing to do form edit to do is equal to edit task. So that's what we have to do, but something more. 1 second. Task is equal to do. Now that's all we wanted. No, we needed something else. I just remember. We will create another self-closing one. Self-closing one will be good, right? Not good. Compulsory should be right word for this. And we will add index. Task is equal to do. To do. Delete. To do is equal to delete. To do. Edit. To do is like quite a lot of to do's right here. So I will say it like much time than you can think. Toggle complete is equal to toggle complete, and that's not enough. what you got, that is not an F. I have did another mistake here, that's why it is showing like this, like I have did this as a mistake. Now good, just see this code again and you will understand what was the mistake. And it still shows us some errors, throws some errors in front of us, and that's what we are off. Can't resolve front end and users components, can't resolve free solid. Task is not defined. First of all, let's correct this also first. Source component ToDo wrapper. Task is not defined. What? No, not like this. Something I have did a mistake here. A second, let me find out. What I have did is 28 line. So overall, I haven't did any great mistake, but let's see what is, because I don't think it's a big mistake. Yeah, I see a mistake here. I haven't declared it right here on ID instead of ID. We will say task and ID, and yeah, you can see it's gone. And we will see how to download them using npm but I don't know how we have to download it, and you also should prefer this. So okay, I have done a mistake here, that's really a big mistake. That is, let me tell you, or you even have got it on yourself, that we have did a mistake here. Now just see what is the mistake by yourself. I'm not gonna tell you, but I guess it's right. But yeah, this is right. Sorry. And we have to download this one. That's, yes bro, font awesome, where it is, what it started. Okay, I have got it. So that job, yeah, I got it. Sometimes we don't see what we are seeing, like it's just an illusion right now that is faced. So we should wait for some seconds or even a minute. Till then, let's see our beautiful directory that we have created till now. And that's, I guess, all what we had to do to create this project. And now let's see, let's hope it installs it fast. So it is in progress. Let's wait for some minutes or even seconds. Yeah, it is done. And now we will start npm start, and now let's see if it works. Yeah, it is working, I guess. Maybe one error pops up, but we will solve that too. We are experienced of that. So here, yeah, let's copy this out and just paste it here, and that is enough for the whole project. And then now we will see our project very soon. Excited or not? Yeah, I know you are excited, but just wait for some seconds and it will just come up. Bye. by the way, this whole we created this whole project in React.js, so you can say it first. You can create it if you learned it from any course or something. You can try it as your first project. Sorry. Now let's try npm start and see if it works. It not if, like it is gonna work. And yeah, 1 2, I'm not gonna show it, like, yeah, wait for some seconds. Now let's go. Oh, what, why it is showing like this? We have did some mistake here. Just find, let me find it out. We have, what we have like is react script start. It starts react script. So can you give me a second so I can figure it out what is. So I'm pausing the video. I got it, what the problem was. So problem was ToDo wrapper.js. So it was very like a common mistake, not a common, very silly mistake. We don't have to use these, we have to use these instead, and that's all. And you can see here it pops up. So here we can type hello and add task, then you can click and it shows done. And if we click here and double, it's done, and delete. Okay, so that was our app that we created today, and thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this one. And you can check out my channel DevTech Arena for other videos. I've created some videos, not a lot of, very few, but they are very good in quality, so check them out, and we'll see you in next one. And please suggest what should I create now, and because I am out with my ideas, so just please comment down what I should create. And you can just download the source code from the link that I have sent in description. I have attached in description. Sorry, a repo to provide source codes to the DevTech Arena viewers. So you can just go to here and just download it, and you can, or else you can create it if you have created it with me. That's more good. So okay, bye bye, and see you in the next one.